Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Katie and thank you so much for tuning in to my video. Welcome to the place that I embarrass myself, show y'all how clumsy I am, and how much I cannot speak. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and before you leave, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell to be notified whenever I update, and make sure you follow all of my social medias that are going to be listed down below in the description. So today is just going to be like a quick eye tutorial using the Naked Urban Decay Heat palette. And I've only used this thing one time, but it was really good. It has really great pigmentation and the product blends really well and it stayed on my eyes. There's no fallout. So yeah, it's just like really good palette. So yeah, let's just get right on into the tutorial. So of course, to start off with the eyes, I'm going to do my transition shade, and I'm going to use this third color right here called Sauce and just apply it into my crease. Now I'm going to take this darker shade right here called En Fuego, and I'm going to pack it on the outer part of my eye and then kind of like blend it halfway into the crease. And I know in all my videos, I haven't known the names of these brushes since they came in that pack. So I'm going to go online after this and try to figure out the names of them, and I'll put them in a text box in the bottom of the screen. So then y'all know what brushes I'm using. And then I'll start saying the numbers of them from now on. So now I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to dip in the color Ashes and just put it in the same spot that I put the last color, just to darken that outer corner up a bit. Now I'm just going to take this brush that actually came out of this palette, and I'm going to take the shade He Devil, and I'm going to just pack it in the center of my lid just to blend that darker shade with it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, Radiant Creamy Concealer, in the shade Vanilla, not like that matters, and use a small Morphe brush, excuse my ratchet nails, and apply it halfway on my crease, and then I'm going to pack a shimmer shade on it. So I just take a little bit and put it on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to start on the inner corner. And then bring it about halfway to the center of my lid. Now I'm going to take a flat Morphe brush and then the shade Chaser and apply it to the concealer. Now I'm going to take this flat brush from Ulta and I'm going to use the shade Scorched. And I'm going to apply it over that nude shade. And then I'm going to take the brush that I used for my dark shades and just blend it together. So for liner today, I'm going to be using the Morphe gel liner in the color Slate, and then I'm going to do my wing using the Morphe M165 brush. And I'm just going to do like a small wing. I'm not going to do like anything drastic or anything. I don't even know if I said that word right. Whatever. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I finished my wings and applied false lashes, and I put on Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Venus. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you share with your friends and follow all of my social medias listed down below in the description. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!